Guys, and good morning. Just at the local bay today. We're gonna try some surface lures, some metals, some soft plastics. We're gonna try top and bottom today and see what takes our lures. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Keep you updated, eh? Stay tuned. Oh, I'm on. There you go. There he is. Keep him underwater so he doesn't. Oh, it's a flatty. There we go. Oh, decent size too, eh? There we go. There we go. Hey, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Good size flatty. He's alright. He's not this tiny. There we go. Give him a nice release. There he goes. Alright guys, that's one for the morning. You can even wash your hands a little. Not taking it, eh? Bloody lure. I got him. Finally. There you go. There we go. Finally, they responded. Foul hooked. There we go. Oh, unhooked. Holy shit. Nice. There you go. Far out. He had just unhooked too. Wow. It'd be a 40 or something. So, oh fuck, he pissed himself. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. On the middle slug, we got our target species for today. So I'm happy with that, but hey, let's just see if we can catch more. Now it's time to release him. Lovely fish. Off he goes. I gotta really launch this one, eh? Fuck, I gotta launch this one, man. Seriously? How did that even happen? Come on, dude. How did that happen? Fuck. There you go. Oh. Oh. Yeah. got here? Ooh, nice trev. Nice trev. Oh, is that brimbo? That's a brimbo. There we go. That is a nice brimbo there, look at that. Whoa, that is a big brimbo. That's a big brimbo, eh? Wow. Look at that, guys. Ah, mate. How much does he go? Here's 35 centimetre. 35 centimetres, mate. There you go, guys. Nice 35 centimetre brimbo. Now it's time to release him.
Morning.
How you going?
Not bad.
Is it a nice one, eh?
Yeah, it is.
How you going? Alright guys, that concludes our session. The two rods doing the damage today, one on the surface and one on the bottom, the light gear on the bottom, catching that bream, and my medium combo with the surface lure, catching that tailor that I thought was a salmon. Sorry about that. That's not a salmon, it's a tailor. And yeah guys, that concludes our session. If you enjoyed that video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys. See ya.